All right, Nicole, we've been talking about money.
Yeah.
And algorithms and error detection and all of these things that we use in banking because we want our investments and our savings to be safe.
That makes sense.
It made me think of why we put things away for later and have them gain interest.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying.
So I thought we would do a hands-on visual way to see what it's like to have something double over time.
I know exactly where you're going with this.
You do?
I'm talking about exponential counting.
I am. Exponential growth. That's exactly right.
Okay.
So if I start with one Lego
Right.
and I double that Lego,
You
how
have
many Legos do I give you?
2 Legos.
2 Legos. I'm going to stick them together.
Cool.
Now, 1, 2. What's our next one?
4.
4,
You're gonna
yes.
double 2.
Sometimes people are like 3 because we get in a habit of going
Counting.
1, 2, 3, and it's like we've doubled 2. So we've got 4.
Because with exponential counting, we're doubling every time.
That's right.
So our next one is going to be 8.
8. That's right. So here is 8. So just imagine if, say, like every year that you've saved something, your dollar that you put in your bank doubles.
That wouldn't take very long to happen.
Wouldn't that be awesome if that actually happened?
That would be amazing if that actually happened.
Yes.
And so, just to point it out, so when we say we're doubling, we're not doubling from the beginning. We're doubling from our last thing.
From the day before.
Right.
Yes.
So 8 is going to double into 16.
Yes.
Okay.
I said day. I don't mean day, but well, whatever time frame. Just imagine. So we have 16. 16.
Yeah.
All right, let's check our math. We've been doing a lot of math lately, and sometimes we get ahead of ourselves and think about it. So what is double of 16?
16 doubled is 32.
32, yeah. So I'm going to build, here I'm going to give you some, and we'll connect.
We'll connect 32.
Can you?
I hope it stands up. Physics at work here.
Oh, now we're going to be worried
I know,
about.
we're going to have to worry about like gravity.
We should do another series where we play around with engineering.
Oh my goodness, that would be so cool.
All right.
We should.
So here's mine. Let's see. Oh, not quite my see. Okay, so I have 15. You have 16.
I've got 16. Let's
Go
see
for
if
it.
Stands up. All right, here we
32.
go. 32. Ah, gravity.
Yes. Now,
Excellent.
what will be the next one?
56. No.
32 plus 32 is
64.
64, and then 64 doubles to 128,
and then 256.
512.
512.
And then we're
1024.
Yes, and then we're kind of back. So if you just went around, you go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32,
64.
Yeah, so you can actually predict about how much you're going to have. So if we did this, if everything doubled,
This reminds me of a story.
Yeah?
Yeah. So.
Oh my gosh.
So you know this story?
Yeah.
So this is 1 grain of rice. And this is the story about a girl who outsmarts a Raja using math and exponential growth. So on the first day, she gets 1 grain of rice. And what she does is she says to the Raja, I only want 1 grain of rice on the first day, but I'm going to double what you give me every day. And the Raja thinks, 1 grain of rice doubled? Sure. The Raja did not know math. So, first day, 1 grain of rice, we see the bird bringing it to her there. By the time we get to the 16th day, she is presented with 32,768 grains of rice. That's only on the 16th day. By the time we get to the 29th day, Ronnie is presented with the contents of 2 royal storehouses. And on the last day, she has a fleet of elephants.
Is that all the oh my
These are elephants,
goodness.
so this
Look
gives an
here,
idea.
You grab that side.
So if you double 1 elephant a day for 30 days.
So this is the number of elephants that it took to carry all
This
the rice.
is the amount of elephants that it took to carry all the rice.
That's
So
amazing.
every single day. This is how, by the end of the 30 days, this is how gravity works eventually. But yeah, so it's, so day 30 was
536,870,912 grains of rice.
And that was how many she got on just day 30. But if you count from day 1 to day 30.
If we add it all up, it even has it.
Yep.
More than 1 billion grains of rice. 1,773,741,823
grains of rice. So
I don't think I have that many Lego blocks.
But no, we definitely don't have that many Lego blocks. But I'm very happy to know that she fed her village for pretty much the rest of their lives.
Yeah, that's really awesome.
Isn't it a great story?
Yeah.
Exponential counting at work.
So we should save our pennies.
And our grains of rice.
Right. And no math.
No math.
All right. Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you. I thought it was very cool.